eggs are super heavy. Yes. These eggs are super heavy. Are these chicken eggs or are these goat eggs? I know. They super heavy. I'm about to be using them in my kettle. Oh, no, no, no. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I am just going to use this, I'm going to use 1 egg. And here I have some olive oil, but it's just 1 tablespoon of olive oil. If you have longer hair, you can use 2. So use 2. But I'm just going to stick with 1. I already have it melted in there. Gonna whisk it up. Just like making scrambled eggs, right? Alright, so I am going to wash my hair. I have to wash my hair. As soon as I wash my hair, I'm going to come back. I'm going to put this on. Once I put this on, I'll then proceed to let it sit, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I use my Design Essentials. This is my almond and avocado oil that I always use. And then I use my scalp scrubber. It's the massager that I like to use as well. Alright, so I also have here my cap because I am going to do a deep conditioner. You can also use saran wrap if you want. And then I actually bought in the actual conditioner protein treatment. Alright, so I just washed my hair and it is going to get a little messy. I just washed my hair. It's damp. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take out, I'm just tempted to kind of like pour it on. So I don't know. We'll see. Pour it in, I guess. I can't see it. Ooh, I feel it. It's a little sloppy. You want to make sure that you have your something around you. Now you cannot, I don't suggest it, but you don't want to sit under the dryer because you all know this is egg, right? And you'll literally come out looking like an egghead, right? So you don't want to sit under the dryer. You want to let your hair absorb the protein. You can go anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour, depending on how much time you have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do, I'm just going to do it as close to bedtime as possible. That's what I want to do. And, you know, so that's going to be about maybe hour 45 minutes. Because I'm going to come back and I want to rinse it out. I want to rinse it out. I don't have nothing on this thing. The girl good when it comes to them eggs. Yeah, I want to rinse it out and give myself a deep conditioner overnight. And that way when I get up in the morning, I can just rinse out my regular deep conditioner. So it's wash, right? You want to wash. You want to do your protein egg treatment. You want to rinse with cold, not with hot, because you will cook the egg and they'll come out white. And then after you rinse, then you want to come back with some type of deep conditioner and then rinse it out. And hey, you will be good to go. Now, I did use olive oil because, I used coconut oil because I'm out of olive oil. But hey, if you want to use anything else, that's your business. You can use flaxseed oil. You can use anything, any type of oil, to my knowledge. And of course, people are going to hit up and say, oh, you should use this oil, you should use that oil. But you know, it's just what works best for you. And whatever you have in your cabinet. Because you're going to rinse it out anyway. You're going to rinse it out anyway. So that's that, you all. When we'll come back, I am going to put this on my head. This is one of those covers that, you know, they got those new covers where you can cover your food dishes up. And I just took one of those. I took one of those covers. It's like 4 sizes. I took one of those covers. And hey, I'm just going to put it on my head. It's not going to be on that long, y'all. All right. Stay tuned.